Hey guys and gals, just a quick video today. Today is Friday, so I am not posting a new assignment for today. I just well, except for the wake-up call. Of course, I have posted the wake-up call for today, but I really just want you guys to take this day to catch up on everything. And I've seen a lot of comments and a lot of questions about our camera not working for Google Slides. And for instance, like on the wake-up calls, you need your camera for some of that. You need your camera for the rounding practice number 2, and there's just a lot of things that you need it for. So I thought maybe a video going over how to get access to it would be helpful. Okay, so here I've just opened up a blank Google Slides, and so if I go over to Insert and Image and then Camera, if I click here, it should work. But now it says no camera selected. Please check your camera's connection and ensure your camera is not already in use by another application. Now, the reason why this has popped up here is because I clicked do not allow whenever it popped up the first time. Okay, so that's probably what has happened for you guys, is you have hit no or block or whatever on the camera option by accident. So now I'm going to show you how to fix that and how to reallow it. Okay, so I'm going to get out of here. Now up here, this is called the URL box, right? The Omni box is what Google actually calls it, but it's a address box. If we notice over here in this, on the right side, we see a little camcorder, and it's got a little red X by it. Okay, if I click that, it's going to pop this up and it says camera blocked. This page has been blocked from accessing your camera. And as you can see, it says continue blocking camera access is the option that's selected. However, up here it says always allow docsgoogle.com to access your camera. We want to click that, and then we want to hit done. Okay. Now, here's the thing though. Whenever I go back to image, I hit camera, it's still not working, right? However, if I reload the page by hitting that refresh button up there, now as you can see, that camcorder with the red X is gone. So I hit insert, image, camera, and there we go. So, and then we take the picture, we click insert, and there's my picture. Okay, so I hope that this video has shown you guys how to fix that problem. I tried to send it to some folks in just words and text, but it was kind of a hard explanation to get across. So hopefully this helps. If you guys have any more questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I will try to get back to you guys as quickly as possible. All right, have a great weekend, and bye-bye.